Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's simply tap on the battery. It should be on the section with biometrics and passwords and apps. So let's tap, and as you can see on the third position we've got the battery percentage option. So this operation is not very complicated, as you can see. So let's tap on it simply, and we've got three different options from which we can choose. So we have do not show, and we've got only the battery indicator, or we can set next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon. It's of course up to you which option you like the most, which option is most comfortable for you, most readable for you. I think I will pick this option, and as you can see immediately actually next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.